Today we're going to run through the flat dumbbell chest press. As far as the setup in a flat dumbbell chest press, you should still have your shoulders packed just like you would in the standard barbell bench press. You would still be driving through your feet to create a nice strong base for that press as well. Unlike the barbell bench press, your hands are not fixed to a barbell, so they can move more freely. So in a barbell press, your hands are fixed to that barbell and you can't travel closer together with your hands. In a dumbbell, you move more freely. That makes for a more pain-free movement in some lifters. So that's why one of the reasons why this lift is an awesome one. One of the things I talk about all the time is standardizing your reps, being consistent with how low you're getting. So even if you're getting tired, I don't want quarter reps and I wouldn't want half reps. I want you going down all the way down to your pec every single time if you're pain-free through that range of motion. That consistent depth helps you figure out if you're actually making progress or not. If you're always cutting depth at the end of your sets and you record that you did a set of 10 reps with 60-pound dumbbells, and then next time you come back and you try and go to sets of 12 with 60-pound dumbbells, you're going to find that you're falling way short because you were not consistent with your depth. So that's what the dumbbell chest press looks like. Make sure those shoulder blades stay packed, you're pushing through your feet, creating a powerful, strong position. This is a safe movement if you tell those dumbbells where to go, and if you keep your elbows at 45 degrees and try and avoid letting those elbows flare to the outside. We don't want those elbows up in your ears. So that's today's video. Go ahead and subscribe below. Let us know what you want to see next. Like the video as well. That's very helpful to us. And we will talk to you soon. Rapid Fitness!